Hi, I'm Krishan.
And I'm Yahweh.
This is for lab number 6, modifying codes on Matlab to make it function with a keypad. Okay, this is the keypad. We hooked it up to the physics board, as you can see, and this is hooked up, to the laptop, where we run the program on Matlab. We modified codes on Matlab, so every button we press on the keypad, it'll display it in the command window. Alright.
We're going to run the modified code, which is basic keypad lab. Enter to start, please.
So he's going to press 1.
And I press 1. 1 is pressed. 2, 3, 8, 5, 6, 4, 7, 9, and star 0. Sometimes you have to press it a lot. And the number sign. And there goes our